Hi friends, Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a flip through of the latest Daphne's Diary magazine. This is number 6 for 2025. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I show you lots of Daphne's Diary magazine flip throughs. I have a playlist if you wanted to check out any past issues. I have a playlist that shows you different things that I like to make with the Daphne's Diary magazine, and it is called Daphne's Diary Inspiration. Plus, I have the magazine flip throughs playlist for you to check out as well. So I'm going to be showing you the flip through, and I will put timestamps on the screen in case you wanted to know when this is getting started. And I also want to just quickly show you other things that I make with the magazine. So for example, I love my journals that I make with the magazine issues. And what I do, it really depends on the issue and, you know, the inspiration. But I often, and let me show you my little, my big folder of magazine pages. So I go through the magazine, I cut things up when I'm, you know, making a project or using it in my journals, etc. And then of course I save all the little scraps, and as I said, I love making journals. I have flip throughs of a lot of these journals. Plus I also show you how to make them. I think my last one was this small version of my my journal that I showed you guys a video on how I put that together. So I will link that video below in case you wanted to check it out. Other things I show you with the magazine is I have shown you flip throughs of their planners. I have a few of their planners actually, and they are full of goodies, you guys, that you can also use in your projects. And as an example, a lot of the times they have these little extra little pages in there that if I'm not using them that month, I'll pull them out and use them in other projects. So if you wanted to check those out. And let's see what else. Right. One of my most favorite things that I have made in the past using the magazine is, what are these called? You know what I'm talking about. Collage of different things that you put together. I love making these with the leftover bits from the magazine when I've been using it for other things. And I love to make these boards and then use them to make either journaling cards or postcards that I love to send in happy mail to my happy mail friends. Okay, so anyways, that's just some ideas on what I use. Stay tuned at the end of the video and I'll give you some tips on how to get some freebies as well. And if you are interested in the magazine or Daphne's Diary or haven't heard of it, check out their website. I also have a discount code for them, and you can use that for anything in their shop except subscriptions. All right, so let me get started. Okay, so as I said, this is their latest magazine, and I have to tell you, I am loving this cover. Like, there's something about it that it's like a collage, and I really love it right now. I think in my last video, give me a second, I'm just trying to make sure that you can see the whole thing. In one of my last videos, I showed you how I use the magazine without necessarily cutting it up, like just some ideas as well. So in case you're interested, I will link that video below. Loving these designs here. Sometimes I'll do a flip through of the magazine with just paper sounds and a little bit of background music. And when I get a chance, of course, I'll do a chatty video, you know, just going through the pages. I'm loving this page, and these are papers that you can cut out. It's a thicker quality of paper that they include in here. So I'm already really liking that. If you have questions about where to order, for Canada and the US, it's Express Mag. And for other places, you can check out their website for more details. I really love going through this magazine for so much inspiration. There's a lot of great articles as well, and they include a lot of different things that you can do. I really like this sticker sheet. These are like sticker strips. And so as I go through the magazine, of course, there's things that I already have an idea that I would like to cut up. And so this here is, I guess, just information on their paper book. I don't think I have a paper book from them yet. I've got sticker books. I have the coloring books, of course, the magazines, but I don't think I have a paper book collection. But again, if you're interested in seeing what else I have shared, that is Daphne's Diary. From Daphne's Diary, I will link that video below. I'm really liking this tofu recipe page because I really want to start using that a little more. So this is something that came attached to this page, and I can already see myself cutting out some of these little squares. I hope you guys are doing well. Can you believe we're already like mid-August, you guys? It's been so busy August for me and my family. We've just had such busy August. Like every weekend is taken up with something. This is a little peek of their 2026 agenda, diary, journal, different things that they can call it. If you haven't seen this, check out the flip through that I have below. Like I said, I think I have a few of their issues that I have flipped through. Absolutely inspiring pages, you guys. And you know, if anything, you can use some of the pieces in there as well to create with. Loving this border at the bottom here. You can see just how bright these colors are. They're always featuring you know, different countries, different cities that you can check out, different artists. Again, so inspiring. I'm liking these bento box ideas as well. So yeah, just everything they include in this magazine is super inspiring to me. There's always something, you know, whether it be an image or the way a page is laid out, or even like the ends of pages. So much stuff to do. Oh, these ones here you can cut out, like you can pop them right out and I guess make something with them, which is really nice. So each magazine includes something that you can do. Loving that pattern there. Let me know if you have used the Daphne's Diary magazine before. Leave a comment below. And if you have, what your favorite thing is to do with it. As I mentioned, I do have a video showing you how I also use it, not necessarily cutting it up, if that's something that might interest you as well. Now this page here, again, includes things that you can cut out. Look at the bunny. And then here we have a poster. They all have a poster in it. And so this is the top half of it. And this is the bottom half of it. Loving all the colors. I'm actually starting to think about maybe doing a little bit of crafting for fall. When do you guys start your fall creations? Like, do you start it now or do you wait until September? Let me know, because I'm trying to figure out when I should start sharing that. This page, I just saw it and I absolutely love the idea. So they've got the vintage envelope and then they give you the piece on how to put it together. So I'm definitely going to be using this, and maybe it would also be good as a template if you wanted to use it for something else. And then they include gorgeous paper at the back that you can use for many things. And then you get a little peek of what the next month is. It'll come out September 30th. That's when you will see the following issue. and I am really loving this one. So I can totally see me using these for covers as well. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. As I said, check out my playlist. I will link it below so you can check out all the different goodies with Daphne's Diary. And thank you to Daphne's Diary for sending me the magazine to show to you. I did want to say a quick tip for you as well. If you are interested in some downloads from them, so these are things that you can print out yourself. I do believe they have so many things that you can download, including this one right here, which they are calling the autumn checklist. And so this one right here that I am showing you, you can actually print this out from their website, as they have many other things for the different season. And you know, you could either use it as a checklist, or you could cut out all the pieces and maybe add them in your journaling as your preparation for fall. So I really love that they also provide some freebies on their website, you know, in case you don't have some of their goodies. But if you check out their website, as I said, I have the discount code. I will put it on the screen and also in the video description for you to check them out. Yeah, you guys, I hope you like the flip through. Check out my because I'm starting my fall, I think I'm starting my fall crafting, you guys. I can't wait. It's like one of my favorite seasons, and I don't really, so far I should say, I have not really crafted anything like Halloween themed, but I think I'm gonna start this year. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you do Halloween crafty projects. If you do, I would love to know. So I might do some Halloween this year, but I also want to start my fall crafting. I feel like it's too short. I don't know. That's how it feels for me anyways. And I just love to get myself together with all my goodies and get things going. So I'll be back soon with another video showing you some more tutorials and creative ideas. As I said, I've just been so busy this month of August. I haven't had a chance to do much, but I wanted to quickly show you the magazine, show you some ideas of what I've done with it in the past. Hopefully you'll get inspired, and I'll be back soon sharing some more projects. I've got some happy mail, some tutorials, and that sort of thing. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.